Chocolate lava cake looks simple until you cut into it. This recipe uses only a few basic ingredients, but together, they create something rich and impressive. Good chocolate is the key to this dessert. It gives the cake its deep, smooth flavor. Melt the chocolate and butter gently together. This creates a silky, glossy base. Mix in eggs and sugar until smooth. The batter becomes thick and shiny. The batter should look smooth and slightly thick. This texture helps create the molten center. Pour the batter into ramekins evenly. Leave space for the cake to rise. Bake for a short time only. This keeps the center soft and molten. The cakes rise slightly as they bake. The outside sets while the inside stays soft. Remove them carefully from the oven. Let them rest briefly before serving. Flip the cake onto a plate gently. It holds its shape perfectly. Dust with powdered sugar for a clean finish. It adds a simple, elegant touch. Cut into the center slowly. This is the moment everyone waits for. The chocolate flows out smoothly. This is what makes lava cake special. The outer layer is soft and tender. The inside stays rich and creamy. Add vanilla ice cream on the side. The cold contrast makes it even better. Drizzle extra chocolate on top. It adds more richness and shine. Scoop into the cake gently. You get cake, chocolate, and cream in one bite. Now it looks completely irresistible. Warm, rich, and full of chocolate. This feels like a restaurant